Hoskinson explaining step-by-step why Cardano ADA will beat Ethereum and Polkadot. Right now, Ethereum is the king of smart contract platforms, with a market capitalization of over $200 billion. Cardano and Polkadot are second and third, with market capitalizations of $26 and $25 billion respectively. These smart contract platforms, albeit significantly smaller in adoption, offer features far surpassing those of Ethereum, but this may not be enough to account for Ethereum's first-mover advantage. But will the Cardano ADA beat Ethereum and Polkadot? To know the answer, watch this video till the end. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you are interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Before we get to the topic, let's analyze the ADA price. As of the 12th of July, Cardano has traded in the range of $1.37 and $1.32, which indicates that the market is moderately volatile. With a total market cap of $42.92 billion and a trading volume of $1,447,044,194, it currently stands in the 5th rank. ADA USD is currently stabilizing at the support of $1.33. However, since the support is established at the bottom of an ascending triangle, a bull run might be incoming. According to Cardano price analysis, this could help Cardano retrace to yesterday's high of $1.37 in the coming days. In the short term, the Cardano market seems to be gearing for a short bullish bout. This could make short-term gains likely. However, if Cardano manages to reach the $1.46 mark, significant resistance is to be expected, resulting in another bearish trend due to day traders being eager to sell off, as is apparent from the recent patterns. Currently, bulls are trying to push the price above yesterday's high of $1.37, at which there will likely be a small amount of resistance. However, if bulls manage to maintain the momentum, the ADA will overcome the resistance and rise further. Overall, there is a moderate amount of volatility in the last 24 hours, and the bearish engulfing between the 7th and the 8th of July, as shown by our 4-hour Cardano price analysis. At the same time, the RSI shows an increasing slope above the 40 levels. At this point, the market is not undersold anymore. This might suggest that the bulls are gearing up for a short bull, posing a good possibility of a short-term gain as per Cardano price analysis. Now let's get back to the topic. Cardano is a blockchain project with over 70% of the total currency, ADA, staked for network validation, a really impressive rate. Part of the reason that so much ADA is staked is due to the cryptocurrency's lack of smart contracts. While Ethereum has around 5% of its total supply locked as validators, much more ETH is locked in DeFi applications. The Cardano project began in 2015 in an attempt to solve some of the problems that Ethereum faced from its proof-of-work consensus model. Cardano was officially founded by Charles Hoskinson, who is a former co-founder of Ethereum. Some of Cardano's key improvements are multiple processing layers for settlements and computations, proof-of-stake consensus, and the ability to upgrade its network easily in the future. Cardano currently has between 100 and 150 developers actively working on the project, and pushes out around 700 commits per week. These factors make the cryptocurrency one of the most actively developed projects in the blockchain space today, suggesting that they will be able to deliver on their development roadmap. This level of developers places Cardano among the most likely projects to steal market share from Ethereum. As Ethereum faces continued delays along the way to its 2.0 overhaul, many investors see Cardano as the solution. Ethereum 2.0 will upgrade Ethereum's network from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake, which may cause Cardano to become obsolete. Cardano can process many more transactions than Ethereum due to its proof-of-stake consensus, but this may not be the case with ETH2. Also, Cardano doesn't have any smart contracts on its network. Smart contracts are a critical factor in the success of a blockchain's ecosystem. With Ethereum already having more than $30 billion in cryptocurrency locked into smart contracts, Cardano may be too late to the parade. Cardano is without a doubt one of the more promising applications in the blockchain space today, with strong fundamentals and a lot of momentum behind the project. Cardano is already proof of stake and has a strong development team behind its future upgrades. The project focuses on getting it right the first time, whereas Ethereum focuses on trial and error to develop its ecosystem. Cardano's separation of the settlement and computation layers results in much lower transaction fees, which are already much lower than Ethereum's. While touted by many as the Ethereum killer, this is extremely unlikely. In my opinion, Cardano will carve out its own niche within the global blockchain system, but fail to flip Ethereum. If you're bullish on crypto and blockchain in general, then it makes a lot of sense to have a position in Cardano. If you own Ethereum, then Cardano is a great hedge that will more than likely result in a net increase in gains. It's truly a win-win. Cardano has opted to play the long game and effectively skipped the entire proof-of-work phase as part of this strategy. The fruits from all those years of research and development work are becoming ripe and are almost ready for picking. As much as Cardano's rollout has been delayed, it has created a degree of confidence that you simply don't get with the make-and-break cryptocurrency blockchains like Ethereum. The significance of the IOHK case partnership with the Ethiopian government really cannot be understated. Even though it might not mean much for Cardano today, it means everything for Cardano's adoption tomorrow. It's one thing to work with corporate giant like Visa, but convincing a government to use your technology as part of its infrastructure is on a whole other level. If this keeps up, I think that what Ethereum looks like today is what Cardano will look like in 5 years, except it'll be used by regular people and not DeFi and VC projects looking to turn a quick buck. We agree with Charles Hoskinson that the first mover advantage isn't everything, but at this point in time there's no catching up to Ethereum. The outcome looks a lot different on a longer time frame, however. Cardano is built to be sustainable, and sustainability is admittedly a pretty foreign concept to Ethereum. As successful as Ethereum has been so far, there's no question that it has been riding a bumpy road. Rushing an upgrade to Proof of Stake, POS, is the last thing a $250 billion blockchain should be doing. It could bump millions of users on the ride. Firstly, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and the rates keep on changing. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the coin prices would have switched to a whole different range. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.